Signs of hypocrisy. Bukhari. Hadith number 33. And Hadith 34. Translation 33. Narrated Abu Huraira, R.A. The Prophet said, "The signs of a hypocrite are three. 1. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. 2. Whenever he promises, he always breaks it, his promise. 3. If you trust him, he proves to be dishonest. If you keep something as a trust with him, he will not return it." Bukhari. Hadith number 34. Translation 34. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, R.A. The Prophet said, "Whoever has the following four characteristics will be a pure hypocrite. And whoever has one of the following four characteristics will have one characteristic of hypocrisy, unless and until he gives it up. 1. Whenever he is entrusted, he betrays. 2. Whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. 3. Whenever he makes a covenant, he proves treacherous. 4. Whenever he quarrels, he behaves in a very imprudent, evil and insulting manner." Now we present summary in our own words. According to Hadith 33 and 34 from Sahih Bukhari, the signs of a hypocrite include lying, breaking promises, betraying trust, and behaving inappropriately in conflicts. If an individual exhibits these traits, they are considered a hypocrite, or have hypocritical characteristics until they abandon them.
منافقت سے
Sent by
بچنے کی
co-pilot.
تدابیر بتائی جا رہی
Avoiding
ہیں۔
hypocrisy involves: be honest, keep promises, be trustworthy, resolve conflicts respectfully,